Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. So we are continuing to solve logarithmic equations. So here's another question in logarithm. So when you are to solve or to find the value of x when you're having a fraction, a logarithm, what you do, you just cross multiply here. You just assume the z over 1, you cross multiply. By doing so, you get 3 plus log x base 7 is equals to 4 bracket 2 minus log x base 7. So here it simply means that here you are having 3 plus log x base 7. Then you simplify both sides by the other side, the right hand side, by saying 8 minus 4 log x base 7. So if this is the case now, you can collect like terms. And how you collect like terms, you take this log to the other side and also this number to the other side. So you will get log x base 7 plus 4 log x base 7 is equals to 8 minus 3. After having 4 positive on this side, we take 4 to be a power. So it will be log x base 7 plus log x power 4 base 7 here is equals to 5. So if that is the case now, you can actually see that we can multiply as agreed. The law of if you are adding, we multiply. If you are multiplying, we add. So it means here it is x times x power 4 bracket base 7 is equals to 5. So according to the laws of exponent, whenever we are multiplying with the same base, it is x power 1 plus 4, which is x power 5. So in this case here, we get log x power 5 base 7 is equal to 5. So if that is the case here, we need to take this 5 to the other side. Then we get 5 log x base 7 is equals to 5. So we can divide both sides by 5, as you can see here. We get log x base 7 is equals to 1. Last time on the introduction of logarithm, we said if you want to remove the logarithm, we can pull up the exponent. So it means x is equals to 7 power 1. So x is equals to 7. If you want to remove the logarithm, we've talked about it in our first videos. So you discover that the final solution for our question, it is nothing but x equals to 7. Let us do another example where log bracket 8x plus 4 base 10 is equals to log bracket 7x plus 8 base 10. Okay, let us take a look into this question. So as you can see here, it is a direct question where you can actually divide both sides with the logs. Log 10 you can divide and remain with 8x plus 4 is equals to 7x plus 8. Then if this is the case, it means 8x, you collect your like terms, is equals to 8 minus 4. So x is equals to 4 on this question. Let us take a look into another question. Okay, so let us take a look into this question. As you can see here in this question, all are logarithm without a base. So here is how we can solve. As long as we are subtracting, we can divide. As long as we are subtracting, we divide. So it will be log bracket 1 plus x bracket all over log bracket 1 minus x, which is equals to the right hand side of x plus 3 bracket all over log bracket 4 minus x bracket. It means we can simplify for the log after factoring out. For example, we factor out log, then a big bracket, we have our single fraction here, bracket all over 1 minus x equals to log again with a big bracket, x plus 3 all over 4 minus x bracket. So in this case, it means we can cancel here, and we have our fraction as this. 1 minus x is equals to x plus 3 all over 4 minus x. Now, if we are to get to this point, it means we have managed to go out to do away with the logarithms. Now we are having a simple algebra. So if you're having a simple algebra, then we can cross multiply. If you are to cross multiply, it means 1 plus x bracket, a bracket of 4 minus x. And also same goes, equals to bracket x plus 3 bracket 1 minus x. Okay then, so let us simplify this. 1 times 4, we get 4. 1 times a negative x is minus x. X times 4 plus 4x. X times a minus x, we get minus x squared, is equals to x times 1, it's x again. X times minus x, it's minus x squared. 3 times 1 plus 3, 3 times minus x, minus 3x. This is what we get. So let us simplify what can be simplified on each and every side. So for each side, we are having 4 minus x plus 4x, it is equals to plus 3x minus x squared is equals to x here minus 3x, we get minus 2x. So we'll have minus x squared plus 3 minus 2x after solving for this, after eliminating this. Now, here we go here. Let us collect our like terms. Let us collect our like terms. The x's, we are going to put them on the left-hand side. So we are going to have 3x plus 2x minus x squared plus x squared is equals to 3 minus 4. So what I did, I take all the x's, and for this one, it goes, this side becomes positive and also becomes positive, as you can see here. And I arrange them according to their like terms. So 3x plus 2x here, of course, we get 5x. Minus x plus an x, it is nothing but a 0. It's like minus 1 plus 1. So here, we get a 0 is equals to a negative 1. 3 minus 4, you have to check the number line. So here now, 5x is equals to minus 1. We divide both sides by 5. So x is nothing but a negative 1 over 5 for the equation. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.